In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your WordPress version. This is an essential skill for any WordPress user because knowing your version helps you stay informed about software updates and security patches. Plus, some plugins and themes may require specific versions to function properly, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye on this. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in your WordPress site URL, followed by wp-admin. Once there, you'll reach the login page. Enter your username and password, the credentials you set up when you created your WordPress account. After logging in, you should find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub where you can manage everything related to your WordPress website. Now, to find out which version of WordPress you're using, the next step is to click on the About WordPress link. This can typically be located in the top left corner of your dashboard. Of course, depending on the themes and plugins you have installed, the exact position might vary slightly. So look for the WordPress logo or the word WordPress in that top corner, as that's what you'll click on. Once you've clicked on About WordPress, a new page should open up, containing all kinds of useful information about your WordPress site. Right at the top, you'll see a version number, clearly telling you which version of WordPress your site is currently running. It's displayed prominently, so you can't miss it. Sometimes you may want more detailed information about what the latest update offers or need clarity on any features. The About WordPress page not only provides your WordPress version, but often includes a quick overview of the features and improvements made in the latest update. It's a great resource for staying informed about what's new and ensuring you're making the most out of the platform. If you don't see this option for any reason, or if you have limited access to your WordPress dashboard, there's another way to check your WordPress version. Simply scroll to the bottom of your dashboard, where the version is often listed as well. But again, this might vary based on your admin settings and customizations. And there you have it. Knowing how to check your WordPress version is crucial for maintaining your site's security and compatibility with themes and plugins. Regularly checking for updates and understanding the version your site is running can prevent potential issues down the road. Thanks for watching today's guide on checking your WordPress version. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Have a great day, and happy blogging!